are going to love the 2022 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.